to add funny sounds to your video. Now, funny sounds make your video go viral. A lot of you don't know how to add funny sounds to your video. Now, in this video, I'll be guiding you practical steps on how to add, as like how to get the funny sounds and then how to extract it and then how to add it to your video. This is actually very simple. All you just need to do, you share this video and let other benefit. All right, let's go.
All right, so you're going to go ahead and open your CapCut and then you click on new video. So now one thing you need to know about adding either funny sound or funny video to your video is that you must have gotten the video ready and you must have also recorded your own video. You must have made sure that everything is fine. And in this video, just like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually download the funny video by yourself. So first of all, let's select the video. So I want to bring in my own video that I want to add a funny sound. Okay, so I'll click on add after selecting it. Okay, so now when you bring in your video, you have to go to the exact parts that you want to put the music, because sometimes you don't need to put the funny sound from the beginning. So you might want to put it maybe somewhere in the middle or anywhere or any part of the video. So after you have located the part, then you go ahead and click on, you're going to see that place, they say audio. If at your bottom, let me point at it. At your bottom left, you're going to see audio. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Now, just like I said we're going to be extracting. Now, some of you already have the music in your phone, so you don't need to extract. So the reason why I say we are going to be extracting is because I want to show you how to get the music and how to extract it and how to use it. So before you click on this extract, we are going to be looking at where to download the funny sound, either on Facebook, on TikTok or on YouTube, but we're going to be using TikTok. So you come to TikTok like this. So now look at that place, that you come to the search engine. So you type any funny sound of your choice that you want. Either if it is on Facebook, go to Facebook and click on the search engine. So this one now is the one I want. So you press it down. So when you press it down, it's going to pop up like this. So this funny sound now, when you click on this save video, automatically this funny sound or this funny video will be downloaded. This funny video now will be what? Downloaded to your phone. The reason why we are downloading video is because when you type sound, you will see sound, but if you type video too, you will see video. So, but we download the video. So now look at the video. So when you click on the extract, it will bring you here. Then look at the video that we just downloaded. So then we go ahead and pick the video. Remember, it's not a must you download it on TikTok. You can download it on all platforms have funny sound, funny memes, or funny video. Just select it. So we click on add. Automatically, it's going to extract. So look at the sound. That's the sound you see me pointing at. The sound in that video has been extracted here. So now I'm going to delete the ending because I only need the part I want. Okay, I will delete the remaining part. So I'll go ahead and hit delete. So then keep the remaining part that I want. So this is the remaining part I want. So remember, step 1 is create your own video that you want to add funny sounds to. Step 2 is download the funny sound. The funny sound can be on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere. Just go to their search bar and type the funny memes or music or sound that you want. If it come out in video, it's even fine. Then download the video. You can see the way we downloaded it from TikTok, right? Download the video. Then go to audio and then click on extract. Because the video, when you download it, you go to your phone gallery. So when you click on extract will now bring that video back again that you downloaded. Then you choose the video. So the moment you choose the video, the music will be extracted from that video under your own video that you want the funny sounds. So you can now keep the part you want and then delete the remaining part. Okay, so please, after you have done everything and everything is fine, you go ahead and export. And if let's assume you still want to add another funny sound, you repeat the same process to add another one. Okay, so please, if you find this video useful, please share this video and let's benefit. All right, thank you.